Today, I'm going to be teaching you how to fix common mistakes in your baseball swing. The first mistake I'm going to be teaching you how to fix is stepping out of the box. So most kids, when they go to swing, they'll step out and unleash all their power facing this way, so their body will look like this when they swing. That's not good. What you want to do, or properly do, is you want to lean back a little bit, step forward, twist the hips first, and then your shoulders. Because then when you twist your hips, it's just bringing all the power with you. Then your shoulders will twist with the hips, and that's all your power. So the way I fixed it is I would grab another baseball bat, and I would put it right behind my feet, kind of like this. So what this is gonna do is when the kid goes to step back out of his stance, he's gonna hit the bat and then trip. And it obviously isn't gonna feel good, and it might not end up well because you could get hurt. So you want to make sure you get in your comfortable stance, and this will help you, like I said, keep your feet going straight, because that's what you want. The second most common mistake that I see is when kids go to swing, they get down and then just pop it up. That's not good. Most of their excuses are, oh, the pitch was too low. But most of the time it's not. So what you want to do on a low pitch is you want to bend your knees and go to the ball. So like my normal swing would be like this. And then if I want to hit a low pitch, I would just bend. So what I did to help me fix this was put a glove right here. So when I would swing, I would just go like this. So, and you know you're going to do it wrong, because when you swing low, your arm comes up and the glove's going to fall out. So, I mean, if you keep doing these two things, it might not work, or it might take a while to get used to, but they've helped out a bunch of people I know, and it worked for me.